I'm about to tell y'all why drinking alcohol every single day, because that's literally what some of y'all do, is ruining your maximum potential as a person. And this goes especially for young people who have so much potential on the table. I'm not saying if you're old that you got no potential, but I'm just saying, like, if you're young, why are you doing this? Why are you, because I see it all the time, why are you constantly drinking alcohol every single day to get drunk? And you're just ruining your life. But before I got three main topics I want to talk about, but before I get into those, I just want to start off by saying, personally, I don't drink, but I promise you, I understand 100% what I'm talking about, because I literally know multiple people who I've seen this happen to, right? They just drink nonstop, and I don't talk to these people no more, because like, that shit is just sad. It is very frustrating to just watch somebody throw their life away. Yeah, they're just not the right people to be around, you know what I'm saying? So I know the effects of this, even though I don't drink. So that's all. I'm just gonna jump straight into it. Number one is nothing attractive about drinking every day to get drunk. Let me say that again. It is nothing attractive about drinking every single day to get drunk. If you're a boy, no woman wants to see you drinking every single day. If you're a girl, no guy wants to see you drinking every day. Like, you're not going to attract nobody into your life doing that. And if you do somehow attract somebody into your life by doing that, it's not going to be the right person, right? It's just not going to be the right people. Like I said, I've personally seen this happen to some people. I know people who do this. And I'm going to tell you right now, like, bro, you could be a 10 out of 10 female. You know what I'm saying? But if you drink nonstop, dude, like, that is so disgusting. Like, nobody's gonna find you attractive. I'm 100% telling you that right now. And if you're a guy, to all my guys out there who are watching the video, please, like, dude, get your life together. There is no reason to be drinking every single day. It's just, there's no point of it, which I'm also about to talk about in the next two steps, why you shouldn't be drinking every day. Mentally, dude, it kills you. All right, a lot of people drink, I get it, because they're depressed. All drinking does is just gonna add to the depression, right? You're just that's a coping mechanism. Like, you're just coping temporarily is what you're doing. Like, long term, nothing's ever gonna get solved if you keep drinking. Nothing. I promise you, nothing is gonna get solved if you keep drinking. All it's gonna do is create more problems. You're gonna say stuff you didn't mean to say. You're gonna treat people ways that they shouldn't be treated, and that you actually don't want to treat them. Like, I've seen it happen. You know what I'm saying? So there is nothing, like, mentally, there is no mental advantage of drinking every single day. Like I said, you want to go do it every now and then, cool. I'm not telling you never to go drink, but when it's every single day, that it kind of becomes a problem. You know what I'm saying? If you're depressed and you're drinking, all you're doing is pushing that depression. Like, you're pushing yourself deeper in a hole. You're pushing yourself further into that depression. You're just coping. Like, you're not fixing nothing, dude. And last reason y'all shouldn't be doing this is financially. Like, just think about it. If you want to reach your maximum potential as a man, one of the big, like, three things that you need to work on is your finances. 100%. You cannot be a successful man if you do not have your financial life under control. If you do not have stability in your life, I tell you, you can be a 10 out of 10 guy. You know what I'm saying? But if you're broke, it's not attractive. Okay? If you're drinking every day, it's not attractive. So those two things go together. Like I said, I don't drink, but I can tell you right now, a bottle of liquor, a case of beer, whatever it is that you're drinking, that stuff costs a lot of money. And a lot of the time, you guys are just buying it over and over, and it's draining y'all financially in the moment, and long term is going to drain y'all, because drinking like this every single day. And also, I personally know somebody who has done this and, messed their body up. You know what I'm saying? They get diseases from that. I'm just saying, your liver, your kidneys, they do not like when you do that. That's going to cost a lot of money long term, is what a lot of people don't realize. Like, they think it's cool in the moment. Long term, it's going to cost you a lot of money. And also, when you are, impaired, I'll say, when you're under the influence, you make dumb financial decisions, maybe. I've never done it, so I don't know, but I'm just guessing that's what happens. You know what I'm saying? You drink once at the club, Now you're gonna go buy another drink, you're gonna buy a girl a drink. You just make dumb financial decisions, and all that does is put you further down in the hole where you don't need to be. So yeah, not attractive at all to drink every day just to get drunk. Mentally, all it's doing is pushing you further down into a hole. It's pushing you further into your depression. And 3 is killing you financially. So if you're a young man right now, if you're any age actually, boy, girl, we ain't discriminating. You could be white, black, yellow, purple, green. Doesn't matter what you are. All right. Please don't drink every single day. It is ruining your maximum potential as a person. 100%. Like, I fully believe that. I don't drink. I've seen it happen though. I'm not just up here talking. Like, I've seen it happen, dude. You're gonna miss out on opportunities because you're gonna be hungover the next day. You're gonna miss out on certain connections because when you're out and about, you know, doing whatever you're doing at the club, at a party, whatever, cool, you can have a drink, but if you're straight drunk, dude, you might miss a connection that, you know, could advance your career, advance your income, just advance you as a person. And also real quick, I want to talk about, you work a job, a 9 to 5, right? Because I know probably everybody watching these videos probably works a 9 to 5. You work a 9 to 5 job, you come home and drink. Now you're wasting your 5 to 9, which your 5 to 9 is going to be what takes you to the next level. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be what takes you from broke or average or whatever you want to call it to, you know, successful and rich. It's going to take you to the next level if you actually lock in on your 5 to 9. But a lot of people, they're just either lazy, they drink. I don't know. I mean, I don't really got a lot to say about that for real. It's sad to see because I see it happen, man. So, but yeah, that's all I got to talk about. Comment down below, you know, if y'all disagree or agree with something that I said. Like I said, I'm gonna stand on everything that I said in this video. I 100% believe everything that I just said. I told y'all I don't drink. I'm not interested really in drinking. Like, it just doesn't interest me. But if you want to go have a drink every now and then, cool, right? If you want to go, you know, have a couple drinks, you know, going out on the weekend, cool. But if you're doing it every single day, especially during the week when you need to be actually advancing your life with your 5 to 9, like, you're straight up tripping. I'm telling you that right now. You're tripping. You're not going to get anywhere in life. You're going to be a bum forever. I promise you. Meanwhile, all of us, you know, who are actually using our 5 to 9 to our advantage are going to be successful because we're actually doing what we need to do. We're not just doing stuff just to cope. I'm telling you that right now. But before y'all go, make sure to like and subscribe. Get this video pushed out so that way more people can see this and actually learn the stuff that they need to learn. And yeah, that's all I got to say. I'll see everybody in the next one. Peace out.